Hi guys, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to save your favorite websites in Chrome, today I'm going to show you how to add a bookmark in less than 2 minutes. But first, how do you usually save your favorite sites? Let me know in the comment. Alright, first things first. Let's go to the website that you want to bookmark. I'm going to use this for this example. Got your websites ready? Great. Let me know when you're there. I'll wait for you. Now, to bookmark the website, simply click on the little star icon in the address bar right here. Once you click the star, a pop-up will appear. You can choose to name your bookmark and select where to save it. You can either save it to a bookmarks bar or quick access, or you can choose other bookmarks if you want to keep it organized in another folder. You can also create a new folder if you like. Once you're happy with it, just click done and boom, your website is bookmarked. To access your bookmarks, just click on the bookmarks bar or open your bookmarks menu. Here's mine, it's right here. And there you go. Quick and easy access to your favorite website anytime. How easy was that? Now you've got a faster way to access your favorite sites. Drop them in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.